Hi everyone. In the last video, I have told you about the 14 different types of models which we have. In today's video, I will tell you about the first type of model, which is editorial model, or we also say as fashion models. To understand the editorial modeling or fashion modeling in a better way, you have to understand what fashion modeling refer to. It's referred to a particular trend or style statement which is planned by a team of people or a magazine company for the audience to follow. So to understand editorial models, you have to first understand the second model type, which is commercial model. So there is a very much similarity between both the modeling types, commercial and fashion. So in the commercial model, where the term commercial is used, commercial is basically used for all the paid all the advertisement work, where the company logos, okay, where the models do modeling for a particular company or for a product or for selling a particular product. But in a fashion modeling thing, the same thing happens, but it doesn't happen for the sales of any product. So there is no company logo is added in that particular shoot. Okay, so it's basically to sell a particular lifestyle of like a kind of a thought process. Okay, so fashion modeling is more of a kind of a thing in which we don't sell anything, but we express a kind of a fashion, okay, which is going to come, or the new fashion trend which a particular team or unit of fashion magazine team starts for the audience, and they follow that. So this is the difference between commercial modeling and a fashion modeling. Both the works is same in both the modeling. The model has to look good. Okay, they do a photo shoot, they wear beautiful clothes, they give a beautiful pose. But the difference between both the shoot is that in commercial modeling, the model, whatever she is doing for a trend, okay, to create a trend of that particular thing, that particular lifestyle or that particular styling. But in a commercial modeling, a model do the shoot for a particular brand or a company. Okay, so this is the difference between fashion modeling and a commercial modeling. So the fashion modeling is something which is having a light level, a high level of a fashion trend, okay, and the fashion models are basically one of the highest paid models of the industry, okay, and they do the shoot for a high level fashion magazines. Commercial modeling can be done by anyone of any size, of any weight or any length, because it's for a commercial benefit to sell a particular product. So this is the basic difference, and this is the actuality of both commercial modeling and fashion modeling. Please understand the simple thing, okay, editorial models are not commercial model. They provide you the style statements, okay, say they do something new, okay, for the industry in terms of lifestyle or fashion, okay, and they have their own style, look and everything.